He's alright.
Must be crazy now.
Oh
Maybe I can too much.
no. You could have come with me, but you're afraid of the blow dryer.